pistachio olive oil shortbread. You'll need flour, pistachio crumb, sugar, vanilla sugar, and a pinch of salt. Give that a good mix and then add the olive oil. The mixture will be quite thick and resemble quicksand. That's okay, that's perfectly normal. Combine orange juice and bicarb soda until it fizzes up and pour that into the mix. One final mix before pouring it into a baking tray lined with baking paper and then smooth out the top of the surface. Sprinkle in some more pistachios and some seeds and press down firmly. Bake for 30 minutes and cut into 8 portions, and then bake again for another 30 minutes until it's super crunchy. And enjoy!